This is a tour of the City of Asheville's Broadway Public Safety Station and the features that supported the city in achieving LEED Gold certification for the facility. LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, is the world's most widely used green building rating system. The U.S. Green Building Council manages the LEED rating system, defining the standards for healthy, high-performing green buildings. New building projects move through a verification and review process by Green Business Certification, Inc. and are awarded points that correspond to different levels of LEED certification. The pursuit of this certification supports City Council's 2036 vision for a clean and healthy environment and a number of the city's sustainability goals. LEED Gold certification is awarded if a facility earns between 60 and 79 points in categories contributing to key environmental and sustainable features. The Broadway Public Safety Station earned 64 points and its LEED Gold certification in these categories. The facility earned credit in the Integrative Design category for developing a cross-discipline project team that included architects, engineers, designers, City of Asheville users, user representatives, commissioning agents, and construction team members. The integrated team met regularly during all project phases to ensure that project outcomes not only met owner expectations, but achieved high sustainability and building performance goals. In the Materials and Resources category, this facility received credits for prioritizing the installation of products with LEED environmental product declarations demonstrating their life cycle analysis, products whose LEED material ingredients are disclosed, and third-party verified products to meet stringent, low, volatile organic compounds emissions standards. These are the facility's electric vehicle chargers, and they're part of the Location and Transportation LEED category. This facility earned LEED Green Vehicles credits, which include designating 5% of parking for alternatively fueled vehicles and 2% of parking for electric vehicles, including electric vehicle charging stations or EV charging stations. These chargers will be used solely for city fleet vehicles. They support City Council's goals to power municipal operations by 100% renewable energy and reduce municipal carbon emissions by 80% by 2030. The overhangs outside the building's windows are shade structures that help eliminate some of the direct sunlight that comes into the space, controlling glare and unwanted heat gain without obstructing views. This feature contributed to points in the Energy and Atmosphere category, as well as the Indoor Environmental Quality category. The shade structures contribute to LEED optimized energy performance, setting this facility's predictive energy model at 38% more efficient than the baseline established by the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers. Points were also earned in the Indoor Environmental Quality category because 75% of regularly occupied spaces provide access to quality views outside. On the building's roof are variable refrigerant flow units, or VRF units, which are high-efficiency air conditioning units. They can operate like conventional heat pumps, which extract heat from inside the building and eject it outside, and when needed, they can also extract heat from outside air and move it inside the building. A feature special to VRF units is their ability to transfer heating and cooling within the building. The VRF system can extract heat from one room and move that heat to another room where it's needed. This allows for significant energy savings over conventional heat pumps. Additionally, traditional heat pumps have varying levels at which it's too cold to extract heat in freezing temperatures. However, these VRF units can still extract and provide heat at temperatures as low as -10 degrees. This is the first installation of VRF units in the city, and they're the reason the building's occupied conditioned space works without using natural gas. The system also contributes to LEED optimized energy performance in the Energy and Atmosphere category. Another system that contributes to LEED optimized energy performance is the thermal building envelope. All of the brick and stone on the building is a facade, and beneath that is a barrier that stops air and water from leaking into the building. This is referred to as the building's thermal envelope. The tighter a building's thermal envelope, the less energy is used to heat or cool a space. Also in the Energy and Atmosphere category, this facility earned the LEED Renewable Energy Production Credit for installing a rooftop solar system. The electricity generated from this system is available for viewing on the city's Real-Time Renewables webpage. It's estimated that the energy produced by the solar panels will cover approximately 70% of the facility's electricity needs. This facility was also awarded a Regional Priority Bonus Point for LEED Renewable Energy Production for installing a solar system at this particular location. In addition to the Renewable Energy Production Credit, this facility also achieved the LEED Green Power and Carbon Offsets Credit. This is the first time the city has purchased renewable energy certificates, or carbon credits. These credits come from renewable energy that is generated off-site to cover the additional energy the facility will use due to the limitations of the size of the solar array. This facility not only generates electricity directly from the solar panel system, but also uses these panels to heat the water in the facility used for showers, decontamination, and for laundry and cooking. The project was awarded points under the LEED Sustainable Sites category with LEED Heat Island Reduction and LEED Optimized Energy Performance Credit for providing light-colored, highly reflective roofing and hardscape materials. These materials mitigate the impacts of heat islands in the built environment. This white roof, referred to as a cool roof in the industry, also helps with energy efficiency in the building because it reflects the sun's heat. In the water efficiency category, this facility is projected to use 31% less indoor water than similar baseline facilities due to the installation of WaterSense fixtures. WaterSense labeled products meet EPA's specifications for water efficiency and performance and are backed by independent third-party certification. In addition, no potable water will be used for permanent irrigation on the building exterior. Another feature that contributed to our LEED optimized energy performance is the use of smart thermostats. Connected to the building's automation system, they allow the facility manager and occupants to set different temperatures within different spaces. In this facility, the temperature can be set differently for the sleeping quarters, living quarters, office spaces, and more. This allows us to reduce the need to heat or cool spaces when they aren't being used, or to heat or cool spaces only when they're in demand, which contributes to a more energy efficient building. Also in the Energy and Atmosphere category, this facility received credit for enhanced commissioning. Commissioning is a systematic process of ensuring that the building's performance is consistent with the intended design and that occupant health and safety performance measures are met. This facility commissioned the heating and cooling system to ensure that it's performing as it was designed to perform. The facility also commissioned the building's thermal envelope. This facility also received credit in the Indoor Environmental Quality category for testing the air quality and flushing all of the contaminants out of the building before it was occupied to ensure that construction-related VOCs, or volatile organic compounds, and other materials in the building were not exposing occupants to pollutant sources. Firefighters are often exposed to carcinogenic materials in the line of duty, so this was a critical feature and overall goal of the building's design to prioritize their health and safety. Thank you for taking this tour of the sustainable features of the Broadway Public Safety Station. For more information on sustainability in the City of Asheville, go to the Sustainability homepage at asheville.nc.gov/green.